How to add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Alibaba application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba account, you will have to have items in your cart. So go ahead and add a few items to your cart by selecting the item and further tapping on the Add to Cart option. Now, tap on the View Cart option and select the items for final checkout and tap on the checkout button you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, firstly enter your shipping address and then tap on the Add a New Card option under the Payment Method tab. You will then be asked to fill in your card details, so go ahead and enter your card number, given name, surname, card expiration date, and CVV or CSC. Once you enter all these details, tap on the Confirm option, and with this, the card will be added to your Alibaba account. And now, in order to remove the card, you can simply come back to this particular interface and remove all the card information that you have added previously, and further tap on the Save Changes button. And with this, the card that you added previously will be deleted. So, this is how you can add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.